Dozens of tornadoes strike Oklahoma. Bleep at least 4. Reuters. At least 4 people died, including a 4-month-old baby, and scores were injured in Oklahoma T.'s weekend after dozens of twisters swept the U.S. Southern Plains, while weather alerts on Sunday put more than 7 million Americans under tornado warnings. Oklahoma Governor Kevin Stitt on Sunday declared a disaster emergency for the state, freeing up more money for first responders and recovery operations. In a call with the Oklahoma governor, President Joe Biden offered the full sup. Below are your comments. That state needs some good union-built homes. When Dubai was getting storms, people were saying God was punishing them. The USA gets punished. Lee. Those who survived the storms still have to live in Oklahoma. God bless Oklahoma. It was God's will. Praise Him. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.